I'm sitting here in America, and most of you that are watching this broadcast right here, you are in America as well. So, what's the predominant language in America? What we call English, correct? So, why is there a difference with all of us who are English speaking in America for the most part when you go into the judicial system? They're speaking another language. Yes, they are. Go to court if you haven't been to court already, or watch a show, a court show, and you see that they're using terminology that's not common to you. It's court language. It's legalese. It's the language of judges and lawyers and even politicians. So why is their language different from yours and mine? That's the question. That is the question. Why don't they just speak the same English that we speak? Why is it that when we walk through the doors of a courtroom, things change? They changed for us because we have walked into their space, their arena, the legal world. So exactly what is it? It's the language of judges, lawyers, and even politicians, governors, mayors, and it is to separate them from the general public, from the people, so that we know that we are outside of them and that they are on top. They are the elite, as they think and as they believe, and we are the paupers. We are the ones who's dancing to their beat, so to speak, when we enter into their courts. You see, that's a brotherhood. Lawyers and judges have a brotherhood, and it's because they all went through something called the Bar Association, British Accredited Registry. Footnote. So now, you'll find words, and I'm going to go through this real brief list: bench, docket, legal, status, de facto, de jure, default, mitigation, litigation, pro bono, manifest, briefs, jurisdiction, jurisprudence, advocate, exonerate, statute, ordinance, acts, habeas corpus, pro per, pro se, propria persona, just to name a few. Those are legal terms that they use in their society, in their club, as it were. It would behoove you to study not only the words that I just mentioned to you, but get a first-hand understanding or comprehension and overstanding as to why they do what they do. And again, it is to separate us, the people, or we, the people, from them, so that they can maintain control over us because we don't understand their language. But it shouldn't be that way ethically. No. We all in America speaking the same English language. Why? Why do, as we step into their arena, the language changes? There's a deception there, and there's a reason for that deception. It is. So, ladies and gentlemen, things are not as they appear, and they never have been. We thought that we were all on an equal level playing field, but that's never been the truth. We've been fooled. Yes, we are. And the really sad part is that some of us, once we're told that we've been fooled, don't even care. We just keep it going, keep things as they have always been in our lives, that complacency that we live, and we won't change. Because I guess it's better for many people to stay in their ignorance. I choose to be free. What about you? Now, freedom does not come without a cost or a price. Sometimes it comes by death to get the result that we're looking for. And sometimes it might take generations before that comes to fruition. But it must come. Freedom must come. Alright. Just something for you to think about. Please weigh in. And we may again get a lawyer here and there, maybe even a judge that might say something, maybe a police officer, someone who works in one of those governmental capacities comment. But you know what? They can't refute what I just said because it's the truth. Anyway, this is Brother Teacher. I'm out.